Come get on. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Come over here so I can see you. What's your name?
Joshua.
Huh?
Joshua Boggs.
Oh, Joshua Boggs. How old are you, Joshua? Oh, you're a big boy. You go to school? Oh, yeah? You love your Aunt Nicole? Give me a kiss. Oh, he gave me a kissy kissy. Here's Priscilla. Priscilla, say hi.
When you're describing, doesn't just
Okay, forget it. You're gonna break the camera. Quistifas. There's my Quistifas. My Masafa.
hello.
It's me again.
Full of food.
And there's more food. Peace. Oops. Who's that? Priscilla, who's this? There's a stranger in the house. There's a gringo in the house.
Yeah, right behind you.
Well, what's your name?
Devin.
That's Devin. Priscilla, who's Devin?
A baby.
There's my mama. Say hi, mama. Because I'm going to see.
Hello, mija. I'm still here.
And you know who that is.
Sandra with grandma.
Sandwich.
Sand in the pan.
And who's this little boy
John.
in his pajamas? John, say hi.
Wait,
Man, I need to see.
We're gonna spank him.
John.
Say hello.
John. Look, John.
Hi. Say hi to Tia.
Hi.
Hello there, handsome.
I can see him on the check.
Look, John. Look, you got a smile.
Look at that.
Dun dun.
Nail, please.
There's Priscilla again.
You can see her.
She's in La La Land.
He takes pictures of me. Hi, mira.
So how you been? Tell me about your mama. How's she doing?
They give us many pages of reading, but they think I have no social life.
Okay, this is for now. We're watching a movie. This is my mama's casa.
It's an
Easter bedtime
There's
story.
my family picture. My
I
mom.
don't remember it. My great
There's the kitchen.
when she was
And there's Joshua again.